Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my Floerns monthly haul and I am so excited. We're in a brand new month. I am so loving this warm weather and I am so excited to get into them. I've already worn one piece and so that's the one I'm going to start with. Normally I don't do that unless I'm just like so super excited to try something. So I've already worn the one, you've already seen it, but all the rest of the pieces have come in and I have not tried them on yet. They're still in their little bags. I'm so excited. So if this is your first time seeing my videos, hi, welcome. My name is Krystal with a K. Without further rambling, let's get into it. So this is a resort style dress. Very, very pretty. So the top has these spaghetti straps. We've got a deep V. This little cutout sits right at the bust line. We have a cinched in right at the waist and then an open drop back. So basically the whole back is open except for this little tie right here with these extra large ribbons. Now this print is very my style. So for starters, black and white is my jam, but in a resort style dress. So if black and white is your color scheme that you prefer, but you also need something a little more resorty, go for one like this. This is a maxi dress. It goes all the way to the floor, and I am so excited to try this on. This is a black and white polka dot. This is the more traditional triangle cup with the string tied in the front and the back. And like the other swimsuits, the pads can be removed or you can keep them. Here are the bottoms. These again have the traditional tie strings. Oh, I forgot to mention, we also have these like little pearl drop details. Very cute. I love this style swimsuit. This is my normal go-to. I've liked this style of swimsuit since I was a teenager and started wearing two-piece bikinis. But overall, I am so excited to try this swimsuit on. And this particular swimsuit comes with a wrap cover thing, like a little skirt wrap situation. I love whenever you're able to get the matching wrap with it. I think it's so cute and I am so excited to go try these on and see how they fit. Is this swimsuit? Oh my gosh, I love this style of top. It's so pretty and so flattering. I feel like it makes the girls look so good. We have a gold detail right in between the bust. I love the contrast of black and white. This is not a stark white. It is more of a cream color. And then the back has a tie. I love this style. I think it adds that extra femininity to the swimsuits instead of just the strings. It also comes with extra padding if you need it. Normally, I pull those out. I don't like the way they move around, but you can use them if you would like. That option is always good to have. Now, this is the bottom. So I have learned that if you want that nice, like sexy look on a swimsuit, on your bottoms, be sure to go for the one that has the curve, the swoop that kind of comes down like that and sits up high on the hip bone. I think that is where you get the most beautiful silhouette of a swimsuit. Personally, I don't like the ones that chop your legs off really short, and then I don't like the high-waisted type swimsuit. So like this one comes up high on the hips, but it dips down in the front and the back. So it's not like, it's not giving you that kangaroo pouch effect, which I hate. So if you're gonna go for a swimsuit and you want that nice sexy look, this is the style that you should go for. This is the bottom to the top I just showed you, again with the cream color trim. And then we have another swimsuit. This one is very similar, only it is a bandeau style. It does not have the straps. And of course it is black and white polka dot, the little gold shell detail. And the back is a tie. And like the other one, the option to remove or keep the padding is in this top as well. Here are the bottoms. Now these are kind of unique in their own way. This does adjust, so you can make them stretch out like this, or if you want them to be a little more scandy, go ahead and scrunch it together. And that goes for the front or the back side. So cute, and give it that high hip cut like the other swimsuit bottoms. This is probably how I would wear it, but you obviously have the option to stretch it out to be a little more modest. next up is a maxi skirt. My favorite style would be the A-line that goes all the way to the floor. This is a zebra print, and it's not a stark contrast of black and white. The lighter portion is definitely more of a beigey yellow tone undertone. This can be worn so many different places. It's conservative enough you could even wear it to church. Just put it with, like, I would probably pair it with like a turtleneck tank top or something like that, but I feel like this is very appropriate to wear to so many different places. This most beautiful corset, look at the details. How stunning is this? Now, I did get this in a size large, and I probably should have went ahead and got it in a medium, but I was kind of scared that the laces in the back would make it like too small and there wouldn't be enough. I was wrong. It is a smidge big on me, but I was still able to make it work. I did have to fidget with it all night to pull it up, but that's because I should have gotten my regular size. But it does have the lace up the back so that you can cinch it in to make it tight. I had it on the tightest setting, and the ribbons are actually really, really long. I got it tied, and there was a ton left over, so I did snip the ends on them. But that was just for my preference. But I think this is gorgeous. I wore this without a bra. I didn't even need pasties because of where the positioning of the like detail is. It covered everything. You could not see through it at all. But this was so cute. I wore it with a black skirt, like skater style skirt, and some platform Mary Janes on a date night. Oh, fantastic. Highly, highly, highly recommend this piece.